Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Baquacil pH Decreaser. What is Baquacil pH Decreaser? Ensure that your swimming pool maintains the proper chemical levels for a clean, clear, and comfortable swim whenever you want all season long. Baquacil pH Decreaser is designed to lower the pH levels in your Baquacil treated pool. Your pH level should be between 7.2 to 7.8 ppm. Product benefits: chlorine-free, contains sodium bisulfate, ideal for weekly pool maintenance. Usage directions. Step 1. Test your water's pH every week with Baquacil Test Strips and adjust if necessary. Generally, adding 1 1/4 pounds of Baquacil pH Decreaser in 10,000 gallons of pool water will lower pH by 0.2. Never add more than 2 pounds of Baquacil pH Decreaser per 10,000 gallons in a single treatment. Step 2. Allow the water to circulate for 12 to 24 hours. Recheck your pH reading. Repeat treatment as necessary until pH of 7.2 to 7.8 is obtained. Never make additions near metal fittings. Do not allow undissolved products to remain on the pool bottom. Brush any undissolved material to dissolve. Never allow the pool pH water to drop below 7.2 as damage to the pool surface and equipment may result. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.